Halo everyone, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reggyandini Anindya Sigit from Bachelor of Applied Medical Laboratory Technology from PKKMB Jurusan. I'm sorry for the bad record because my device is not support. In this beautiful occasion, I will tell you about blood sugar under the title Control Your Blood Sugar and Love Yourself. Data from the International Federation at Diabetes Federation or IDF Atlas in 2021 stated that Indonesia is ranked 5 with the largest number of diabetics. If we are talking about diabetes, that note will be separated from blood sugar. Blood sugar is a measure of oneself. If we are talking blood sugar, if our blood sugar is high, that indicate that we have a diabetes or hyperglycemia. On the other hand, when our blood sugar level is low, that indicates that we have hypoglycemia. But this is not for sure if you are not checked after the doctor. Okay, firstly, let me tell you what blood sugar is and how at what level normal of blood sugar. Blood sugar is a simple molecule, also known as glucose, or this is a source of energy of the cells and tissues of the body. Then the normal level of blood sugar is in the average 70 until 130 mg per dl. It called high if up or higher than 200 mg per dl. 200 mg per dl, and it called low if lower than 70 mg per dl. Then, why should we keep our blood sugar level in the normal range? Here's some of the reasons. Firstly, is to knowing the effect of diet and exercise on our blood sugar level. Second is to prevent the disease like diabetes, then heart attack, then stroke, etc. Third is for overall treatment. Okay, from the explanation above, that said that one of the reasons to keep this blood sugar level in the normal range is to prevent the diabetes. I'll tell you more specific about diabetes because diabetes is the majority disease in the world. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disease characterized by elevated level of blood sugar or blood glucose, which lead over time to serious damage like to the eyes, to the kidneys, to nerves, etc. Then, often people think that diabetes is a genetic disease that passed down from the parent. But an American Federation Association of Diabetes said that diabetes is the children with diabetic parent has more bigger opportunity than children which has not diabetic parent. But a specialist nutrition Dr. Siti said that diabetes is not basically about genetic. This is about a bad lifestyle and environmental factors. She said, so the diabetes is not basically about genetic factors. Everyone has genetic factor to get diabetes, but this is not main reason for someone get diabetes. That's because diabetes will not appear if you have a healthy lifestyle and also right and obey the nutrition diet. So if someone say if the father had diabetes, then the doctor has diabetes too. That's wrong. There are some different types of diabetes. First is diabetes type 1 or called diabetes autoimmune disease. Second is diabetes type 2 or called um, diabetes mellitus. And third is pre-diabetes. And fourth is gestational diabetes. The general symptom of diabetes is firstly, increased hunger. Second, increased thirst. And third is sores that don't heal. Fourth is frequently urination. Five is unintentional weight loss. Six is extreme fatigue. And seven is blurry vision. So from the explanation above, how do we control our blood sugar level and also prevent this disease? Because the blood sugar level is main factor of this disease. Firstly is get at least 150 minutes per week of aerobic exercise such as walking or cycling. Second is cut saturated trans fat with refined carbohydrate and protein. And third is eat more fruit, vegetable, or whole grains. Fourth is eat more smaller portion. Five is try to lose 7% of your body weight if you are overweight or obese. And six is this aren't only six is control your stress. The important thing that must be noticed also is risk factor. Here are four risk factors. Firstly is genetic. Secondly is age 45 or older. Third is overweight. And fourth is aren't physically active. So the conclusion of my speech, my explanation in this occasion is letting we to have a good lifestyle or a healthy lifestyle and control our blood sugar because our body is our responsibility. Because our body is our responsibility. Don't carry away with the modern lifestyle or junk food. Imagine the risk, the long-term risk that you get because we are the architect of ourselves. So control your mind, control your body, and love yourself. We only live once, so live your best life. Maybe until here my explanation. Thank you so much for your attention. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.